I don't know if you could see them, but there's tons of seagulls on that rock. You could see them sort of right there, around there, mostly in there. You can see them with this camera, but yeah. Oh, there's one flying away. Yeah, so apparently I want to get some root beer because root beer is the best. And yeah, so there's your seagulls. Yay. Misconceptions are that they're really, really dirty, something like that, which pretty much they are, but they're still like invaluable. Really, 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 really needed, much needed for preserving marine ecosystems, because they eat fish. They're sort of like recyclers of the ocean and bodies of water, and you can see them anywhere, and their calls are actually really, really cool. They remind you so much of the ocean, it's scary. But yeah, so there they are. And there's the glory that is Lake Michigan. Yes, it is a lake. Looks like an ocean though, doesn't it? Yeah, yep, it's an ocean. It's a lake. It's a lake. And yeah, so I guess I will see you guys later. Bye bye.